Tezos' way of greatness was difficult by any stretch of the imagination. In any case, in spite of all impediments, the digital money was picking up speed quickly. We will look at XTZ intently and furnish you with a far-reaching cost expectation about Tezos' digital money. How does Tezos work? Tezos is a blockchain network for sending off decentralized applications, dApps, and executing brilliant agreements. Admittance to the program code is open, and every client can partake in the framework modernization. The multi-stage engineering of Tezos permits clients to refresh the organization without hard forks. The framework is separated into 3 modules. The network module, the transaction module, the consensus module. The code of the blockchain environment is written in the OCaml scripting language, which makes it conceivable to autonomously update every one of the convention levels. In 2014, Arthur, a previous Morgan Stanley examiner, and Caitlin Breitman had a plan to make Tezos. To send off their task, they held an exceptionally effective ICO, initial coin offering. In 2017, the couple figured out how to raise $232 million, making it the biggest ICO around then. In any case, because of interior issues, the execution of the venture was postponed. Thus, the coin never entered the trades at the named time. This caused alarm among the financial backers, and a few court procedures were started against the task pioneers. In 2018, a beta rendition of the undertaking was delivered, yet it didn't figure out how to save what is happening. Misled financial backers raced to sell their tokens for an amazing bargain, trying to return speculations, which caused the breakdown of the conversion standard. The designers needed to make up for lost time rapidly. Network tests started in pre-fall 2018, and the coin was completely sent off in the fall. Until now, Tezos is a digital money that wipes out key obstructions to blockchain reception by the world local area. Among its elements, coming up next are actually significant. Intelligent contract security. At the institutional level, savvy contracts are written in the Michelson-situated programming language, which ensures total security of exchanges. Possibility of a drawn-out update. Tezos' measured engineering and formal update component permit the organization to offer and carry out new mechanical advancements consistently as they become accessible. Joined with the Tezos invoicing instrument, these perspectives empower the convention to tackle the fanning issue without forfeiting the local area agreement. Open cooperation. Rather than excavators, the XTZ digital money is acquired by dough punchers. The liquid proof of stake (LPOS) agreement calculation permits each coin proprietor to partake in baking. This is the XTZ price forecast for July 2022. Crypto examiners have really looked at the value changes of Tezos in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal XTZ rate they foresee may be around $1.98 in July 2022. It can drop to $1.91 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $2.05. August 2022. Tezos price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the XTZ cost will be exchanged at $2.04 by and large. August 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Tezos worth to $2.13. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $1.95 in August 2022. XTZ price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have examined Tezos costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2022 $2.12. The most minimal and top XTZ rates may be $2.05 and $2.23. October 2022. Tezos price forecast. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the XTZ cost will be around $2.18. In October 2022, the Tezos cost might drop to at least $2.11. The normal pinnacle worth may be $2.31 in October 2022. XTZ price forecast for November 2022. Having broke down Tezos costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the XTZ rate could arrive at a limit of $2.42 in November 2022. It may, in any case, drop to $2.14. For November 2022, the determined normal of Tezos is almost $2.23. December 2022. Tezos price forecast. Around mid-2022, the Tezos cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $2.27. Crypto experts expect that in December 2022, the XTZ cost could change somewhere in the range of $2.18 and $2.54. Tezos price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Tezos in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Tezos will be around $3.37. The most extreme expected XTZ cost might be around $3.82. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $3.46 in 2023. Tezos price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Tezos, in 2024, XTZ is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs. About $4.91 and $5.84, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $5.08. Tezos price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have dissected the costs of Tezos and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base XTZ cost could drop to $7.20, while its greatest can reach $8.70. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $7.45. Tezos price prediction 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Tezos by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least XTZ costs are normal in 2026. $12.47 and $10.32. By and large, it will be exchanged at $10.62. Tezos price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the vacillations of Tezos. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical XTZ cost will be around $15.73. It could drop to at least $15.31, however it actually could reach $18.13 all through 2027. Tezos price prediction 2028. Consistently, digital money specialists get ready estimates at the cost of Tezos. It is assessed that XTZ will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $22.67 and $26.84 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $23.